When you live in a bushfire-prone area, gutter protection is not just about maintenance. It's also about reducing the risk around your roofline. Dry leaves, fine debris, and roofline buildup can create trouble when embers are in the air. That is where the right mesh matters. Aussie DIY Solutions offers EmberGuard mesh designed for bushfire-prone areas, with DIY-friendly options for different roof and gutter applications. Ember Mesh uses a fine 1.9mm aperture, woven aluminium construction, and a double-rolled edge to help block burning embers and fine debris while still keeping a clean finish on the roof. It is manufactured to meet AS 3959 2018 requirements and is positioned for BEL 12.5, BEL 19, and BEL 29 applications, making it a practical option for many Australian homes in bushfire-prone areas. Choose mesh-only widths from 250 to 500 and 1000mm, or select roof-specific EmberGuard kits for trim deck, tile, corrugated and valley applications. With more than 20 COLORBOND colours available, you can choose a finish that blends with your roof instead of standing out. Installation guides are available to help you plan the job, and the system is built to be DIY friendly for homeowners who want practical protection without overcomplicating the install. The result is cleaner gutters, a tidier roofline, and added confidence from a product range trusted by Aussie customers, with free shipping on orders over $300. Shop the EmberGuard range and choose the right solution for your roof today.